What's going on, people? Observation King here with you again. I've got another short video today. Now I wanted to talk about neem oil. Now just a quick breakdown for those of you who don't know. Neem oil is actually a excuse me, an oil that's derived from the neem tree, which comes from India. Now the good thing I like about this oil is that it's used to actually repel insects, the same way I actually have my video on how you can destroy aphids and spider mites by using a mixture of vinegar and water. Well, this is basically one step above that, and what it does is you mix this with a little bit of water, which I have in my sprayer here, and you have instructions at the back of this particular bottle, and it just shows you how much you need per liter. Of course, I've only got half a liter of water in here, so I'm only going to use half of the maximum amount. And what you do is you pour that in and you just blend it and you shake it violently, and then you spray it all over the plant. And what that does is it gets rid of all of the insects that may be on your plant. Now I'm using my thyme plant as an example because I've noticed that there's some very strange looking slender green insects that have been flying and jumping around, and I believe they're feeding off of the plant. And I've noticed that a small number of the leaves, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but just there, you can see that leaf there just in front of my thumb is starting to die, because what they're doing is they're feeding off of the plant. So what I decided to do is I used my method that I actually made in another video by mixing water and vinegar. But it seems that these insects seem to be a bit more robust. So I went for Dr. Forrest's neem oil, and I'll be using that now. Unfortunately for me, I don't actually have a container that actually measures as low as 15 milliliters on hand at the moment. So I'll just kind of be eyeballing it and just pouring it inside of this old plastic cup, just a small amount, and then I'll be pouring that into my sprayer, shaking it, and then we're going to spray it all over the plant and see how that goes. So this is what it looks like once I pour it in. Now the instruction on the bottle was to actually blend it until it's quite frothy, and I'm pretty sure we can all agree that's very frothy now. So I'll just be putting in the top, and I'll be spraying that on. That smells quite strong, actually. I'm just coating the entire plant as per instruction, trying to avoid as much of the soil as possible. I just saw one of them fly off. I don't know if you saw that on camera. But this is just to basically get rid of these insects. And I'm using my thyme plant as an example because it's the one that's affected, but this could go for any plant at all that you might have in your garden or on your balcony. And you just want to coat it, and this will get rid of any insect, whether it's cucumber beetle, aphids, well, spider mite is not an insect, but it will work on that too, and a bunch of other insects I haven't mentioned as well. And what I like about it is that it's literally just all natural stuff. You can check the ingredients. There's nothing artificial in there at all. It's all natural, just oils that have been mixed together, and then you can just mix it with water and spray it, and that's it. So that's how you do it. So now it's been sprayed quite well all around, and that's what you can do, guys. So I'll catch you next time, and I'm out.